welcome to Ava's workshop. Today we're going to be making a mini animatronic.
The character that this animatronic is going to be is a sock puppet, so we're going to need a sock. We're also going to need some cute things to decorate it with. To make this character come to life, we're going to need an Arduino Uno, 2 high-torque servos with the circular servo attachment, a KA2284 level indicator module, an audio cable, an MP3 player, a 5-volt power supply, or you can cut off the end of a phone charger, pin connectors and or solid core wire. It's also very handy to have some servo connectors on hand. You're also going to need the 3D printed pieces, and the STL files are in the description. Here are also some of the tools you're going to need for this project. I started by placing one of the servos into the 3D printed servo holder. I added some super glue but realized it wasn't strong enough, so I went back and added a generous glob of hot glue. I then placed the other servo into the other 3D printed piece for the mouth movement. I made a small mistake in my catting and I forgot to make room for the servo wire. I ended up unscrewing the base and drilling a small hole to run the wire out the bottom. I then added some glue to the round servo attachment and stuck it onto the neck piece. I then clamped it together to dry and added some hot glue just to make sure it was perfectly secure. I finally mounted the jaw 3D print onto the mouth servo with a generous glob of hot glue. As you can see, this character can turn its head and open and close its mouth. It's a pretty simple character, but it's going to look really cool after we program it.
So I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to be posting part 2 of this project very soon. It's going to be a much longer video, and it's going to go into much more detail about the control system and all the art that's going to go onto this character for all of the outer cosmetics. I've been very busy with all the social distancing stuff going on right now, so it's been a little hard to upload recently, but I'm going to try to start posting much more, and the videos are going to be much longer, hopefully. Much better videos. If you guys have any ideas for stuff you want me to make, comment on my videos, email me. I'd love to get involved. I hope you guys are all staying safe out there, and don't forget to keep building. Thank you all for watching. Click here to subscribe. Click here to watch one of my older videos, and look over here to see some of the finished footage of the animatronic coming in part 2.